Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can repeat a song on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top right corner, here you're gonna find your notifications. Right here, you're gonna find your friend activity. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you can access your account. You can go to your profile. You can upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly, log out from your Spotify account. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is a home section. Here you're going to find the search section. And right here, you're going to find all of the playlists that you have. If you click on expand your library, you're going to be able to expand your library as you can see, guys. So right now, in order to repeat a song on Spotify, go ahead and choose the song that you want to repeat. For example, I'm going to go to this playlist. Then I'm going to play this song as you can see, guys, right here. So as you can see, guys, right here in the bottom, you're going to find this option to shuffle. You can either enable or disable shuffle from here. Here you can go back or you can go to next. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the pause play button. Here in the right, as you can see, guys, you're going to find this icon right here. If you click on it once and it turns green, this means that the list will be repeating. So once the playlist has finished, it will start again from the beginning. But if you want to repeat the same song, go ahead and click right here again. So as you can see, guys, now it's green. And there is this one right here. So basically, guys, right now, if this song finishes, it will start again, as you can see, guys. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.